How to make Gemini your assistant. If any day you would like to make Gemini AI your assistant, or you want to install the very Gemini AI on your phone but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. So if you have an Android phone, you have to follow the following steps. And if you have the phone of iOS, you have to go to the very App Store on your phone. Since I have the very Play Store application, since I'm an Android user, you also need to tap on the Play Store like this. After tapping on Play Store like this, you can see an interface here. Now you have to go to the very search like icon, and then you have to search the very option of the Gemini AI. Now when you search the option of the Gemini AI here, now you can see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, now here you can see the very option of looking for the Google Gemini, and here it has been written that this app isn't available on Google Play in your region. In order to find out where exactly the Gemini AI is, you can directly go to the search icon or just scroll left or right. And after you find the Gemini AI, you can see the interface here. Now, after this, you can see that it has been written. The Gemini mobile app requires the latest version of the Google app. Therefore, what you can do is you can update your Google Play Store there and you can use the very Gemini AI. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.